there. Thank you so much, Miss May. I really do appreciate that. That got us into level 3. So, being nice is nice. What's my favorite piece I've ever done, Morgan? That's hard to say. I don't know if you can source Onward hardware in the States, but it's good quality. Chance, I will write that down. Onward hardware. Onward, hinge hardware. Thanks for the bobs, everybody. Appreciate that. And some yeets, Random Tinker. Yeah, we can do some yeets. May go bah, cause she goat. Yes, Momo. May always supporting over here, so I do appreciate that very much, Momo, and thank you for the hype and the announcement. Let's go. It's 12:30 in the Netherlands, so I'm gonna go to bed. Have a nice day, everyone. Poe, thank you so much for stopping by. Really do appreciate you being interested in this stuff. But yeah, definitely get some sleep, and we will talk to you soon. So, do appreciate you being here, Poe. Talk to you later. Have a good night. What was I doing right before? I was gonna do something. Oh, I guess maybe just sand. I don't know. Oh, got just a few scratches in here, so. Oh, I was asking Omnius something. I was asking Omnius. Oh, I was saying whenever he almost dropped his box. I don't know if you guys have seen that Omnius clip, but he had a really nice box that was finished. And all of a sudden, he was like showing it off and it just started slipping out of his hands. He almost dropped it. I don't know if you're still here, Omnius, or if you remember that, but hilarious. Tatum, hey, dude. You and the wife, y'all take care of yourselves. Have a great night. Number 44.
44, that's me.
Uh-huh.
Get some cold cuts. Get some cold cuts.
Dude, get some rest cuts. Go take care of yourself, Tatum, and your wife as well. And we'll talk to you soon, bud. Hope you guys start feeling better tomorrow. Charmed is here. What's going on, Charmed? How are you doing this evening? Thank you for that host very much. Omni, can you drop? You can drop the beat, but not the box. Momo is keeping the hype train alive right now. Getting up to level, or still in level 3. But thank you for the 100 bits, Momo. I appreciate that. My heart dropped in that moment. Thank you, Tal. Tatum, thank you for that host as well before heading out, buddy. Appreciate that very much. Heart dropped in that moment. I wonder if I can find that in like 2 seconds. Let's see. Oh!